Hello everyone, welcome to Love Story Technology. And today's session we are going to see how to create OU groups and how to add users into particular OU and apply the group policy to particular OU. So let's begin. We are going to open Server Manager, click on Tools, then click on Active Directory Users and Computers, right click, New, Organization Unit. Think if you're having a global company, so I'm putting the Asia, OU. Here is US region. Okay, sorry. Need to go to move to the test. Okay, okay. So ignore. We are going to create new one. So just click on Active Directory. Then only you can create new organization unit USA. You can see again. Click on this China. Sorry, already taken the USA China. Asia, USA. I can take the Canada. We have three regions and three OU, different. And inside this, like inside the Asia, we are going to create the groups. Sales, we already created, so we mention IT, global, okay. MIS, okay. Here inside the USA, IT, I put here IT or accounts, IT ops, and Canada projects. Okay. Using the groups, you can manage the folder level and file level permission to access your file servers and manage your file servers access and folders access. And using the OUs, you can apply the group policies. So now we move to the server manager again, then click on tools, group policy management. Here is the group policy management. Click on forest, then domains or domain states.local, and here you can see your created OU is here right now. Asia, Canada, USA. A domain controller is default one. So if you want to apply the policy to this particular OU, we need to click on this, then right click, create a GPO in this domain and link it here. So we're putting Asia OU. Okay. Now we need to right click this OU and edit Open the new windows. You can see the computer configuration, and here is the two different parts like computer configuration and user configuration. If you want to apply the policy to the computers, you can select here. If you want to apply it to the users, you can select here. So now here is the policies segregated in three different software settings, Windows setting and administrative templates. And in preference, here is some control panel setting and Windows setting. So we use the default templates. So I am going to click administrative templates, desktop. Like we just want to remove the computer icon on the desktop. You just need to double click on this policy and enable, apply and OK. Then you must have to go to the run using Windows plus R key, then GP update, run the GP update / force command, enter. You can see policy going to update. So here you can see computer policy updated completed successfully. That means that policy is applied to this particular OU. Whatever the user inside this OU, that policy is applicable. Now inside the Asia OU there is no user, so we are going to create a new user, or you can add the user. So when this user log in with this login ID, then that policy default applicable to that particular user. So here I shown you the one example. You can create and test, and if you have any other question, feel free to ask and post on the below side the comment section related to the create the OU objective, how to create, how to link the group policy to OU, how to set inheritance to inside the OU, how to enforce everything. Whatever you want to understand more, you can just simply comment below the video. Thanks for watching video. Again, if you have any query, feel free to post in comment section, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel Love Story with Technology, and do not forget to press the bell icon so you can receive the alert for upcoming tech video for your tech learning.